Today I'm sharing with you the latest Instagram Reels editing tools that you need to know to edit faster and get more creative. Let's go. Let's start by selecting the reel that you want to edit. So select it right over there. Once that's done, you're gonna click on the icon Edit. Once you do, you're going to see that small scissor. You select Edit right there. Once that's done, you're gonna have several options. You're gonna have Speed, Split, Adjust Section, Crop, Replace, and then I'm going to show you two others that are brand new. Okay, so let's start with Speed. Once you're there, you can adjust how fast or how slow you want your reel to be. After that's done, you select the check mark, and that's done as I'm showing you right over here. Then you can go to split, which means you can split as how many times as you want to the video that you selected to edit. Okay, as simple as that. You just, right, like I'm showing you right here, split it, and that's done. Once that's split, you can then go to adjust section, which means the part of the reel that you split, you just go over there, you adjust it as however you want to, and that's it. You're going to see the indicator is that the part that you can adjust is going to be yellow. So you select it, you adjust it however you want to, that's done. Great. Now let's go to the other one, which is called replace. You're going to see two little arrows. You can replace anything that you select for another medium. Maybe you want to change it, maybe you recorded something that was better than the one you selected. You decide what you want to do, just click right there and replace it. Great. Then we have one of my favorites, which is called crop. So the great thing about this is that now you can split your reel and you can crop one section of the reel, leaving the other one as it is, which is amazing because before you couldn't do this. So I'm going to show you right over here. So as you can see, I'm selecting the reel, I am splitting it, and I am cropping it. And as you see, the first part of the reel is untouched. The second one, it's crop. This is new, which means you no longer have to go to another editing app, crop it, come back, and upload it. You can do everything inside of the Reels app, which is pretty cool. So now we're going to go to the other new tools that are just brand new. They're included in here in the editing option. You have text, which now you can select the same type of fonts you have always had, but now you have different options of how those fonts are going to be presented. So I'm showing you right here. Now you can make it look like this, which is pretty cool. It's a new adjustment. You can use any color you want to. You can select any color from the screen, whatever you want to, and you can use this new update, okay? After that, now you can use filters as well. You have it inside of this editing tool. You select the filter that you want to, and you can present it, your reel, as however you want to, depending on the filter that you chose. Then we have effects. In effects, you can decide what type of effects you want your reel to be. One thing, either way that you cropped it or split it, the effects will be all over the reel. One thing that I wanted for you to understand, not because you select one part, the effect will be there and won't be in the other one. No, in this case, still the effects are going to be all over the reel that you are creating. So those are the latest updates inside of the Instagram Reels app. Tell me, will you be using it? Are you interested? Is this something you would like me to repeat again? I will do it for you. Thank you so much. Leave me the comments right here below.